a little later model, a unique, especially in classics. Good customer of ours asked us if he could bring it in. We'd represent it for him, get it online, help him get it sold. So here it is, 2014 BMW 320i Sedan, turbocharged, 2-liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This particular one also has a power sunroof. And we'll get around to the interior here in just a little bit. Let's check out the engine bay here at Run. A little over 149,000 miles on it. Black over dark gray leather interior. Of course, with the black, you're going to have a few spots where it's been touched up. This car's been driven. Be a nice commuter car for somebody here. Actually rated at 36 miles to the gallon on the highway. Not too bad. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, the leather bucket seat, center console. That's where that 6-speed shifter is going to be at. Heated seats. Of course, a lot of modern amenities that you're going to get on the BMW. A little bit of a tweak in the door back here, just slightly. Other than that, up and down that passenger side, looks pretty good riding on the BMW wheels. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little different exhaust in this. You'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. Nice sound to it. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out that engine bay. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We'll take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side here before we look at the interior. For the size of the car, roomy sedan. Take a look in the back of this. And you can see the leather rear seats hardly look like they've ever been sat in. Mentioned the power sunroof. Everything in working order there. Of course, power windows, power locks, mirrors, steering wheel controls for driver's information center, radio, cruise. And of course, the center console control there also has a sport and Eco Pro, or Eco, excuse me. We'll take a little closer look at that. Eco Pro mode, as well as economy, traction control, heated seats, again, electronic climate control, and let's go ahead and fire this up. Push button start, of course. Alright. Of course, your radio readouts up here. Let's get the exact miles up. Gauges all working. Alright. There's the exact miles, 149,255. The rest of the dash. Make sure we're neutral. We'll take a peek at that seat. A little bit of wear in the seat. You should see it on the center. Passenger side one is in good shape, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. There's probably 100 plus pictures of this car online. Slip around to the back here and run. Like I said, a little different exhaust, got a little bit of a throaty sound to it, but nothing over the top. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front, pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so here you go. Take a look at the hood liner. Nice and clean, tidy engine compartment. In that 2.0. Again, inline 4-cylinder turbo. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. A little bit of a cold air intake on here, up the performance a tad. Remember, that is paired up with that 6-speed manual transmission. they say? Rated 36 miles per gallon on the highway. So, hey, nice commuter car for somebody. There you go, looking for a little later model. BMW 2014 320i sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.